Welcome to the Chapter 9.1 tutorial. In Chapter 8, we classified matter into categories based on its state or phase. But in Chapter 9, we're going to look at a new way to classify matter. This time, we'll separate them into two big categories, pure substances and mixtures. Then we'll separate them further from there. Let's start with pure substances. They can either be elements or compounds. Think about a line that's drawn in pen versus pencil. Pencil lines are made from graphite. That's a form of the element carbon. The main ingredient in pen ink is called anisidine. It has the formula below. It's a compound. Here are some other pure substances that you encounter every day. Water, oxygen, sodium chloride, also called table salt, and iron. Each of these substances is either an element, because it is just one atom on the periodic table, or a compound because it is a group of atoms chemically bonded to each other. If a lump of matter isn't a pure substance, then it has to be a mixture. Many people would assume that wood is a pure substance because it looks like it's all one thing, but it's actually a very complex mixture of different compounds. If you look closely at wood, it has different textures and colors in different areas. That's one way to tell that it's a mixture of compounds. Similarly, if two things are mixed together really well, then you might think they aren't a mixture at all. When Kool-Aid is dissolved in water, the color spreads evenly through the water, so it looks like it's all one red or blue liquid. However, it's actually a very evenly distributed mixture of water and Kool-Aid particles. To sum up, we can classify mixtures into two groups. Stuff that is mixed really well, so all the particles are evenly spread out, or stuff that is mixed unevenly, so it's pretty easy to tell that there are multiple substances involved. Evenly mixed mixtures are called homogeneous. The prefix homo means same. A homogeneous mixture is mixed in the same proportions throughout. Unevenly mixed mixtures are called heterogeneous. Hetero means different. A heterogeneous mixture is mixed in different proportions in different areas. Check out these common mixtures that you see every day. Soda, salt water, and air, they're all homogeneous mixtures. Every sip of soda or salt water tastes the same because the mixtures are even. Every breath of air contains the same amount of oxygen, and so on. Here's some heterogeneous mixtures. A salad is obviously mixed unevenly. You might want every bite to be exactly the same, but chances are that isn't going to happen no matter how well you try to mix it up. And wood is a heterogeneous mixture as well. You probably have to look at it under a microscope to see the unevenness of the mixing, but it's definitely there. So let's sum it up. Look over this chart to see how we can classify matter into pure substances and mixtures. Make sure you feel comfortable using these terms, giving examples for each category, and then classifying matter into each category. We'll practice more in class. See you then. Random panda, 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 random panda.